seen me.
Okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
been
up.
sitting the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Damn.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's slow. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, man. We might, but come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out. Outside. I don't care if you wait on you leave. Okay? Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I don't worry about it. I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go.
My cousin either.
Go. Go.
You look at him more, bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Go.
You work at him more. You ain't working. You ain't working nowhere. You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You ain't
go.
working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
4 Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this harder than what it has to be.
No, I
understand, but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your name?
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm trying to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody get this.
No, you're not listening to me.
Tell me, what the fuck is wrong with you?
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the fuck. I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck off me. Fuck wrong with you? Get the fuck off me.
4 Delta 2. Send me units in 18. One's wanting to fight with me. Go down.
Now you're doing that.
Get off of me. We're going to go to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got me up. No,
Get
Okay, look at here. Here. I'm trying to get.
it's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
Get the off me.
Oh, my brother. Stand up.
Look, I can't. Look what it is.
You can get up.
Watch out. Handcuffs on, man.
Let go. Let go.
Well, you back at your goddamn hands on.
Hey.
chill out.
Watch out, let me get my phone.
No, come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Man, get the fuck off me, car. I don't even move like that.
I don't get your phone.
Phone is over there.
Come on, Tequila.
No idea.
You need your phone? We ain't shopping anymore, so you can turn around and leave the store right now.
Phone, shit.
Hey, where's your phone then?
Man, go get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first? God damn.
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off.
Get in the car.
You either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
Look, bro, wait. Can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your legs.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f*** that hurt? My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want this handcuff.
You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff. Go, come on.
You think I'm doing?
We're at, come on.
Hell, I'm tweaking.
Alright, now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. Don't fix it.
Respect, I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in.
Go home. Go home. Good, sir?
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Weapon cutter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's going to be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number? She is him. Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you by chance?
Hey, listen. What's the brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You wanna go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. Let me see this out.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, God. I'm gonna walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming in closer. Stop. Walk down there.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Say we can come over.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald.
The
Now walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
What the f*** you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep.
that way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car. All right? All right, turn around, put your ass in your back.
Don't touch me.
Nope, turn around, put your ass in your back.
God, like what the f***? Tighten up. I'm standing here. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the f*** sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Stand up. If I'm just sitting there playing.
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
What the f*** I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all tweet.
Y'all not taking both of them.
Tweet out, but I didn't touch not a damn person.
I ain't even doing
I'm not going to do a step on my phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f*** you mean? I didn't touch nobody.
Bro, that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting here.
No, y'all tweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Y'all tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hit nobody. I ain't touch nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him. I'm not so man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to
Move your legs.
No.
Your legs.
And you just scratched the f*** out my face. Man, let me the f*** go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Bro, no way. Let me, bro. Y'all niggas blowing. You my
Got it.
oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my I'm tweeted out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Man,
You're under arrest.
Hit the car. Take the take the badges off, car.